Want to turn off read receipts on Viber to read messages without others knowing? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to turn off read receipts, you will need to open the Viber application on your primary mobile device. Once the app is open, you should tap on the More tab, which is usually represented by a three-dot icon. From this menu, you will need to find and select the Settings option to access your account details. Inside the Settings menu, you must tap on the Privacy section to find the options for read receipts. Now tap on the Online, Read, and Typing status. Here you will see an option called Read Receipts. Simply select Off from this option. Keep in mind that when you turn off read receipts, you also will not be able to see if others have read your messages. Also, I need to mention one more thing. Viber has also added a paid version called Invisible. If you tap on Invisible, you will hide your read receipts, but you will be able to see the other person's receipts. This option is a paid option, so you will need to pay for it. And that's how you can turn off read receipts on Viber. A simple change in your privacy settings for more discreet messaging. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.